Hi guys, today we are making a firm favorite chicken tikka masala. Let's go. For the marinade, into a mixing bowl, let's add 100 ml of yogurt and a couple of squirts of lemon juice. Then add a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste and a teaspoon of salt, a quarter teaspoon turmeric, a teaspoon of coriander and cumin powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon red hot chili powder. Let's give that a good mix, making sure all of the spices are combined. Then you want to slit your chicken, then add that to the marinade and give that a good mix, making sure the chicken and marinade are combined. Into a heated pot, let's add in some oil and some ghee. Then place the chicken into the pot, and after a few minutes, let's turn that around and baste the other side with the rest of the marinade. Then cook through until done. Then add in some chopped onion, green pepper and red pepper. Let that cook for about 5 minutes, then remove and set aside. Into the same pot, let's add in a little bit of oil, a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cardamom pods and 2 cloves. Then add in 1 finely chopped onion and let that brown. While we wait for the onions, let's blend about 3 tomatoes and 50 grams of tomato paste together with a pinch of sugar. Then add half a teaspoon coarse salt, a quarter teaspoon turmeric, a teaspoon of cumin and coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Suhana hot chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, a couple of squirts of lemon juice. Let's give that a good mix. Add a little water to stop the spices from burning. Then add in the tomato mixture together with about a cup of water. Let's give that a good mix and cook through. Once the tomatoes are cooked, let's take it off the stove and cool for a bit. Then using a blender, let's blend that into a smooth paste. Then add back the chicken, onions and peppers. Let's give that a good mix. Then add in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Let's give that a good mix and cook for about 5 minutes. Then add in a teaspoon of fenugreek masala and cook for a further 2 minutes. Then garnish with coriander and mint leaves, and we are then ready to serve. Let's get some rice in there. Yo, this rice is so fluffy. Okay. Now for the main event. Yo, check that out, bro. The sauce is so creamy. It smells amazing. Plus those onions and red pepper, so it gives it a nice color. Let's garnish. And let's taste. It's hot. Get this chicken. Check that out. Yo, looks good. It's perfect. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, link in bio.